The way it attacks. Don't.
I want to get peed off. Now you leave the ducks alone. Oh, you're such a sweetie, aren't you? But you're going to make me finding on the fence. Okay, I'll leave the fence over here.
You should feel that way attacking your son. You hungry? You hungry? You hungry? Shit. Me?
He's not even going and he's really scared.
Just here.
Sorry.
Like a dinosaur.
Ow!
There's an empty eggshell there.
Batty.
Oh, they're clipping us so they don't fly away.
Oh, that looks like a baby.
Ow! Gently! You're going to hurt.
There you go. Whoa. Come on, look at that one.
Screech! Alarm! Alarm!
Oh, they all ran up in there.
Oh. Yum. Yum, yum. Is it really that tasty?
Beavers where?
Well, it's got a baby in it, the white one.
This little tiny one. Mum, look at this little one. Mum.
I don't want to pick that up at work because it scratched me.
Look at the little baby. Well, they were laughing at you.
Chocobo.
And they prefer safety in numbers. They feel a lot more secure when there's more of them. And they flock together. They're vagrant birds. They fly from area to area searching for their food, which is of course fish. And they'll actually hunt together as a team. What the pigback talking does. Is it actually...
No, it's trying to eat the other one's bum, look, Paul.
Hello.
Oh, go touch his foot.
No.
Why?
Hello. Hello.
No.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Hello. How are you?
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello. Yum. Hello.
No, 1 kilogram.
Čistенько, да, внутри, он был чистый летом. Но как ты делаешь, да, он знает, что я уже. Ты делаешь.
There's a white one over there.
What's the one?
Oh, I'm scared.
Very impressive.
Yeah.
Good enough.
Can you try for a male now?
Set up with that one.
I can be gay too.
That went a bit tits up. This is it. This is the end of me, the end of the old seasons. Oh no, there won't be any more real life videos. Oh, I don't know what I'm going to do on this channel now. Maybe I'll bring back the old extremely random at work videos of me just doing complete absolute nonsense in the car and stuff. We'll see.